I'm not a very ticklish person. So
Good, you are the ideal candidate to deal with getting your navel pierced. All right, and then this is not sharp or pokey, it's just a little metal stick. I'm gonna use it to press and check and feel around for how things move and make my marks for today. You usually see that band of tissue here, and if we start pressing and feeling, we can feel some tissue difference. We can feel the soft, squishy tissue of the skin of the stomach, and then we can feel that density change as we get into that band of scar tissue that forms the navel. Just dot that in. Right, so you're gonna feel me doing just another little press and check. This is the same as when I was pressing and checking during the marking. Just me double checking for how things feel and how things move. Full alignment here. I'm gonna tell you when it's time for that breath. I am not going to surprise you. You might feel a little bit of pressure at the bottom of your mark, just me getting things into alignment. Go ahead and give me that nice big deep breath in and exhale nice and steady. You did great. Piercing's done. Just popping in your jewelry. You did awesome. Ouch. Certainly not kitten kisses and puppy snuggles, but fortunately not the end of the world.
Maybe kitten kisses, because my cats like to bite me sometimes.
Oh no! Friction here on the jewelry. I had a cat who loved a little love chomp, and she unfortunately seemed to always go for like my armpit.
Ow.
Or underneath my chin.
Youch.
Or the back of my knee. She truly found every atrocious place she could nibble. And that's where we'd be snuggling and she'd be like, what if I just bit you right now?
Like what then? Like what'll happen if I did that?
And it sucked too because she actually did really like being under the covers.
Aww.
So she loved to come snuggle up under the covers and she would be great. She would be a perfect angel asleep doing little wee. And then I'm gonna relax things down into place.
Alright.
I'm gonna relax the skin. Oh, it's so cute with the little flower. Okay, I'm gonna clean off